In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share Discord profile link. If you want to share your Discord profile with someone, one way to do it is by using your user ID to create a profile link. Before you can copy your user ID, you'll need to enable developer mode in Discord. Don't worry, the setting is built into Discord and only takes a few moments to turn on. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can find your user ID, create your profile link, and share it with others. Let's get started by opening the Discord application and signing into your account if you haven't already. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the gear icon to open User Settings. This is where Discord stores all of your account preferences and advanced options. From the menu on the left, scroll all the way down until you find the Advanced section. Inside it, locate Developer Mode and turn it on. Enabling this option unlocks additional features, including the ability to copy your user ID. Once Developer Mode is enabled, you can press the Escape key or simply close the settings window to return to Discord. Next, open any Discord server where you've previously sent a message. If you don't have a recent message available, simply send a new one so your username appears in the chat. Once your message is visible, click on your username to open your profile card. After your profile card appears, click your profile picture in the upper right area of the profile window to open the full profile view. From there, click the three-dot menu and choose Copy User ID. Discord will copy your unique user ID to your clipboard, making it ready to use. Now open a text editor such as Notepad and type the following address, discordapp.com/users/. Immediately after the final /, paste the user ID you just copied. This creates the complete profile link that you can share with others. Once the link is ready, you can copy it and send it through a direct message, email, text message, or any other communication platform. Anyone with the link can use it to access your Discord profile. Depending on Discord's current profile sharing behavior and privacy settings, to verify that everything is correct, paste the completed link into your web browser and open it. If everything was entered properly, it should take you directly to your Discord profile page. This is a quick way to confirm that the link was created successfully before sharing it with other people. And that's all there is to it. By enabling developer mode, copying your user ID, creating the profile link, and sharing it, you can easily let others access your Discord profile whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.